Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Very cool car, guys. Neat story behind this car. We actually took it in on trade on a Charger we had. Gentleman that we got this car from said that this car was bought new, and we have a ton of documentation when the car was bought. And it was a guy bought it for his son who shipped off to Vietnam and unfortunately passed away. Car's got 49,000 original miles. Has its complete running gear in original running gear in it. 3D3 factory 4-speed, 323 sure grip, original R4 red car that's been repainted one time. I believe the gentleman we took it on trade from had it painted. Good, solid, straight body. Nice car. Hits the road good. You can see it's got Magnum 500s all the way around it with the Cooper Cobra white letter tires. Obviously those are not original. We've got a box that he sent up with a lot of original parts. I believe exhaust manifolds, distributor. I think he changed the front seat cover, and so we have the original seat cover for it. But man, cool car. You can nitpick some stuff on this car because I believe all the trim, except for I believe the bumpers, are original. The bumpers, it looks like they've replaced. But nice car, man. Just a good, solid, straight driver. I didn't see where they had replaced any body panels on the car. I believe it has all the original glass in it. Real RM VIN, real Roadrunner. And again, as you walk around, like I say, this is all the original trim. Front glass had a little separation to it, but that's the original Chrysler front glass. Again, all this stuff, you're going to be able to nitpick it a little bit, but that stuff's original. Slick paint. Again, hat racks faded a little in the back. Like I say, a couple little blemishes in the paint, but nice. Good, solid, straight Roadrunner. This stuff's original here. Again, the bumpers are definitely new. They've had to replace those. They're just too nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'm buying the heck out of cars. So make sure you're keeping track of my website, southernmotors.com. I'm posting some photos. I'll get video shot as soon as I can. Unfortunately, we're going to deal with some weather. I believe if a guy cut and buff this, I think this paint will really get slick. Chrome Magnums. You can pick the door handles. They're the original door handles. Front disc brakes. Pretty car. Matching numbers, 33 cubic inch engine. Matching numbers trans. Original rear end with 323 sure grip. You can see they put a Weiand aluminum intake on it. They've also got headers on it. Manual steering, manual brakes. The original master cylinder. Original master cylinder is in there. I think the original distributor, because they have upgraded it to electronic ignition. That stuff's in a little box we got. This is an aluminum radiator. Here's your original fender tag. And again, we've got a broadcast sheet, original purchase agreement, original owner's manuals, a ton of service stuff from when the car was new. Good looking car, man. There's your Florida inspection sticker from 1975. And don't think, when I tell you, like, I think if you cut and buff the car, I think it would really slick. Don't think that the car's not slick. I just know that if a guy, you know, sent this out, even ceramic coating, when guys do that, it really slicks out these paints. Again, original A-pillar chrome, you can pick it in a little bit. Original mirror, same thing. Look how nice the door skins are. Stock black interior. Looks like original sill plates. I bet you it's the original carpet. That seat, I believe, has been changed, and the original skin is in the in that little tub we've got. Headliner looks good. 49,171 on your odometer. That is supposed to be the original miles. Aftermarket sun tack. It's got an old Sun oil pressure gauge, original AM radio. It's got the stock Hurst shifter. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. Clean car, factory jack, the Goodyear redline spare still in it. And this is, like I say, lots of goodies. Broadcast sheet, just paperwork, the original window sticker. This is your original sales agreement. Tons of service records when it was new. I don't want to tear this up, but you can see it's all body color in there like it should be. Original insulation still on the quarters. That's a cool car, man. Everything opens and closes real nice. You know, pretty original underneath. You know, it's not, it wasn't a rotisserie or a body off or anything like that. It's pretty original. Just a good, honest car right here is what it is. Guy can take it apart, take it to the next level, or do what this gentleman did, turn the key and drive it. Have a blast with it. Dash is nice. Sorry guys, I think I just bumped this dumb thing. Yeah, you can kind of nitpick this a little bit. I realize it before we got to the end of the doggone video. So it runs out good, shifts good. Definitely got a little cam to it. I love that blacked out performance hood treatment. Fuel gauge works, stack works. Car's holding good oil pressure. Parking brake, check that too. Yep, parking brake works, guys. Oh, you got your flashers on, Nathan. Should be below the... Is there a little button? You've got the flashes on somehow. Does your radio work? Oh, that button up there. Click your flashers up now. No on the radio. No, it's on the dash. Does the reverse light in there work?
No.
No on the reverse light. The flasher button's on the dash, Nathan. Wipers? They're off. Nope. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us.